Hi there, this is the puzzle guy and today I will show you Enigma puzzle by Hanayama. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6, which means it's one of the most difficult Hanayama puzzles. Let's open the box. Inside you can find information about other Hanayama puzzles, description of this puzzle, but there is no solution included. Puzzle itself. And the goal of this puzzle is to take it apart and to assemble it again. Puzzle is made out of metal, as most other Hanayama puzzles. It has 3 parts and you have to take them apart. If you want to buy this puzzle, I will put a link in the description where you can do it. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. Before I will show you how to solve it, we have to take a closer look at each part. As you can see, all 3 parts are completely different. And there are 2 parts with tails and loops. One part has a bigger loop and another one has a small loop and a small cutout. And there is the 3rd part, which has Hanayama name on it, but for me it looks like a bottle opener. So I'm gonna name it bottle opener. So this part has 2 cutouts, and on this big loop there is this piece where we can slide our cutouts and disassemble the puzzle. So the first move is going to be the following. You have to take these 2 pieces with loops, put them on the left, and then take the bottle opener and put one of the cutouts here and slide it. So now this part is connected with both other parts. The next move is to rotate the big tail part and put the loop of this part and the tail of the other part through the hole in bottle opener, like this. And now you can slide the bottle opener inside the loop, and as you can see, now this part is connected only with the big loop. The next move is to rotate the big tail part like this and put the tail through the hole in bottle opener. You have to do it from this side, not from the other side. So from the front side, like this. Now you have to rotate it and move the bottle opener here so that you can put the loop of the big tail part through the hole in bottle opener, like this. With this move, what we did is we changed places of these 2 parts. Now the big tail part is on the left and the bottle opener is on the right. So the next move is pretty simple. You have to find the cutout of the bottle opener and slide it here. Then put the hole of the bottle opener through the small tail. And the last move is to slide another cutout of bottle opener here, and it's disassembled. Now we have only 2 pieces left, which we have to disassemble. To disassemble them, you have to put these 2 parts like this, so that the big tail and the small tail are close to each other, and you can feel that you can't push the big tail through the small one. It's blocking its way, so you have just to force it a little bit. And now you can rotate the big tail piece and slide it not from inside but from outside through this way, and that's it. puzzle is disassembled. As you can see, 3 pieces, they all separated. Why I like this puzzle? Because you can see all the moves you're doing. You can predict your moves, you can use logic to solve this puzzle, unlike in some other puzzles like Vortex puzzle, for example. It's pretty difficult to see what you're doing. So to assemble this puzzle, you have to do the same moves but backwards. So grab the 2 parts with tails, put the part with a small loop inside the big loop and slide the cutout like this. And now when 2 tails are close to each other, you have to push it a little bit so that the big tail will appear on the other side of the small tail. Now you have to put this part on the left and grab your bottle opener, put it with the cutout on the side through here. The next move is to put the small tail through the hole in the bottle opener. And now slide this cutout inside the big loop. The next move, we have to change places of the big tail part and the bottle opener. To make this, we have to move the bottle opener here and to slide the big tail piece here as well, and push the loop of a big tail piece through the hole in bottle opener. Rotate the big tail piece and take it out of the hole in bottle opener. As you can see, we changed places of these 2 pieces. The next move is to take the bottle opener and slide its cutout through here. Now rotate the big tail piece and push the small loop and the small tail through the hole in bottle opener. So it goes very easy, you don't have to force anything. And the last move, what you have to do is to slide this cutout out of the big loop. That's it. Puzzle is assembled again. So if you like this puzzle, press like button. If you want to see more of my puzzles, you can press subscribe button. If you want to see other Hanayama level 6 puzzles, I will put a link at the end of the video. And that's it for today.